So today I am going to be making macaroni and cheese in my Instapot. So it calls for 2.5 cups of chicken broth. All I did was use the powdered stuff, you can see that right there, with water. That calls for 16 ounces of pasta, which I found out it's a pound of pasta, which is 454 grams, and our pasta here in Canada comes usually in 900 grams, so about half a bag of pasta. And I already have the sugar from a previous. I'm just going to use the other half a bag. Going to add a little bit more water because I want to make sure it covers it, because my measurement's not exact, so I'll add a bit more water. Just adding a bit more water till it covers. There, that looks better. It says to pressure cook on manual for 5 minutes and then quick release. I'm going to do it for 6 minutes. Because last time I made pasta, it was al dente, but my family likes it a little bit more cooked. So, that is just how we roll. Get this to, the biggest thing is to get it to slide right in. Change hands. I'm right-handed. There we go. And it's locked. Still getting the knack of it. Then it's on pressure cook. I want pressure cook. And then I want high. Note that down. Nope. I'll do 6 minutes. See, even my thing has a delay cook, which I'm not doing. And I'm just going to start. Then I will get the cheese ready to make the sauce for the cheese. So it just done, so now I'm going to quick release. By pressing that button, and it will release, and then I can remove the lid. So I check to make sure there's no more steam coming out, and the lid just comes out. And then I need to put it to rest right in the handle of the pot. So then we just start. Oh look, it's beautifully cooked. Nothing's stuck to the bottom. And then put about 2 tablespoons of butter. Our brick club comes in, our butter comes in a brick. That's just a 1/4 inch slice of butter. Basically, if you were doing the same kind of thing that would make it on the stove top. Oh yes, and I'm going to put this on saute now, cancel. So that it keeps that going and being able to melt the butter and the cheese. And then about 2 cups of shredded cheese. I had marble, so I'm going to throw that all in. around. And it calls for some Dijon mustard. A tablespoon. And you know me, I'm not going to measure, so we're just going to, that's about a tablespoon. There you go. And a few drops of hot sauce. When I make my baked mac and cheese, I always put hot sauce in the cheese sauce. Today I'm going to use the ass-kicking rose garlic hot sauce habanero. It's not too crazy spicy. And that's a few drops. And milk. Calls for a half a cup of milk. And then we're just sauteing this. As you can see, I'm measuring it so accurately. And just sauteing it, heating it up till all the cheese melts. Make sure everything's all mixed well. Super easy, and I love the Instant Pot because it doesn't stick to the bottom, even though it's stainless steel. On my pot on the stove, this cheese would be sticking already. I'm just going to add a little bit more milk because you saw how accurate I was in the measuring. Now this is so much healthier than the box of K-Brie. It's cheap using pasta shells you have. I mean, the expensive thing is the cheese. Milk is usually, for half a cup of milk, it's not much. You could do it with a bit, just like in canned milk or powdered milk. This is one recipe where you could get away with it. But look at this. Now let's just turn this off because I don't need it on anymore. And I am going to taste it. Look how cheesy. That's awesome. I like it. My family, I think, is going to absolutely love this. Probably mess with some popcorn chicken for supper and the side salad. So please click like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And see, this is really easy. This is a kid-friendly recipe that everybody, look, nothing sticks. And this pot cleans so well. Once it's all emptied, all I do is put hot water, a bit of soap, let it sit, take a cloth, and it's clean. Then let it dry. That's it. So have a good day. Bye, friends.